Well, hey, good morning. We're just getting ready to head down to the beach for our walk. We hope. It rained so much yesterday that we never got the dogs down one time for a beach walk. They had to walk around the yard to do their business here. That's it. So, this is the first time since the day before yesterday. So, I know these pups are going to be so excited. Join us. Well, we had over an inch of rain yesterday. We never made it out here. Uh, we'll see what we get today. We'll see what that beach looks like. Here we go. Hey, I'm glad you came with us. It looks like it's another stormy day on Roatan. Here we are on Camp View Beach, ready to take a walk. I'm glad you're here. Let's go. So dark and stormy over in the east. I don't think we're going to see a sunrise there. However, looking to the west, I guess we see a reflection of the sunrise. That's pretty cool. Well, our plan was to go down island for groceries today because the weatherman says that tomorrow it should dry up some. And I've got a ton of laundry to do. So I'd like to get one nice line day if I could. It looks like all this stormy weather's to our east, and we'll be heading west, so I'm not too worried. We'll let you know what we do. In the meantime, thanks for taking a beach walk with Cathy. Until the next time.